Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 22nd of December. And first of all, national news. Center asks states to include chapter on prevention of food wastage in school syllabi. China COVID surge vaccine maker Adar Poonawalla said need not panic. NGOs not following FCRA rules will not be tolerated, Amit Shah said. Wear masks in crowded places, get precaution doses, center advised as China sees COVID surge. Parliament proceedings, opposition leaders protest in Parliament complex demand discussion on border tensions with China. Supreme Court stood up for a retired sweeper's right to pension. Shah said, battle against drugs delicately poised. States to join hands. Government departments deviated from CVC advice to punish corrupt officials in 55 cases in 2021. Center. Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankad rejected two notices under Rule 267, engaging e-commerce players to push sales of goods produced by tribals. Dharmendra Pradhan, 21-year-old medical student returned from Georgia, won Sarpanch election in Maharashtra. Union Health Minister reviewed COVID situation, directed officials to be alert, strengthen surveillance. And now international news. Amid COVID surge, China may cut down on quarantine for incoming travelers. Ukraine's Zelensky goes to US seeking weapons and more weapons. Afghans use social media to protest Taliban's university ban for women. Russia's Zircon hypersonic missile, Putin said, no equivalent in world. US sending kits to Ukraine to make dumb bombs smart. This Christmas, think of children in Ukraine who suffer. Pope Francis. Kremlin said no chance of peace talks as Zelensky traveled to Washington. Ukraine's Zelensky to meet Joe Biden, address Congress in Washington. China aggression another reason to strengthen India-US ties, US lawmakers. France sent rocket launchers, more arms to Ukraine, Emmanuel Macron. US condemned Taliban's decision to ban Afghan women from universities. And now sports news. Venus Williams accepted wildcards for Australian Open, Auckland tournaments. Andy Murray admitted he is one big injury away from retirement. Governing body FIA banned political statements from motorsports. Ranji Trophy game between Railways and Punjab suspended due to dangerous and unfit Karnal Singh pitch. Pakistan Cricket Board Chief Ramiz Raza assured ICC no decision yet on boycotting 2023 World Cup in India, a report said. KL Rahul suffered injury during net practice ahead of second Bangladesh test. News related to business. Sensex crashed over 630 points, extending losses for second straight day. Rupee fallen 6 paise to 82.82 per dollar ahead of RBI minutes. RBI cannot prematurely pause rate tightening cycle, monetary policy maneuvers. India likely to grow at over 7% this fiscal year, ex-Niti Aayog Vice Chairman Arvind Panagaria. RBI Governor against pause in rate hikes, monetary policy panel minutes. India signed 13 free trade agreements so far with trading partners, Minister. 71 multi-state cooperative societies under liquidation in 2022. Corporation Minister Amit Shah. Credit growth far away from being exuberant, RBI Governor. India planning stabilization fund to strengthen carbon trading market. Government keeping eye on inflation, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. News from Science and Technology. SpaceX Falcon 9 launch into orbit to study Earth's surface water. European light launcher rocket Vega C lost shortly after launch in French Guiana. NASA Mars lander InSight fallen silent after 4 years. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 22nd December in New Delhi will reach to 21 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 5 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you.